Becoming a game developer is an exciting career choice for many people who love video games and enjoy working with computers. There are many steps and skills involved in this process, and different paths you can take depending on your preferences and goals. Choose your programming language. C# or C++ are the most popular and powerful languages for game development, but you can also use Python, Java, JavaScript, or other languages depending on the game engine or platform you want to use. Learn math and physics. Game development requires a lot of math and physics concepts, such as algebra, linear algebra, trigonometry, calculus, discrete mathematics, collision detection, game physics, etc. You need to understand how to apply these concepts to create realistic and engaging gameplay. Pick a game engine. A game engine is a software framework that provides tools and features for creating games. There are many game engines available, such as Unity, Unreal Engine, GameMaker, Godot, OpenGL, etc. Unity uses C#, while Unreal Engine uses C++. You should pick one that suits your needs and preferences and learn how to use it effectively. Learn about game mechanics, design, and art. Game development is not only about coding, but also about creating a compelling story, characters, environment, user interface, sound effects, music, etc. You need to learn how to design games that are fun, immersive, and appealing to your target audience. You also need to learn how to use design tools and software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Blender, Maya, etc. to create art assets for your games. Learn about game physics and animation. Modern games often use sophisticated algorithms and techniques to simulate realistic physics and animation in the game world. You need to learn how to implement these features in your games using the game engine or other libraries. You also need to learn how to optimize your games for performance and stability across different platforms. Start developing 2D games. The best way to learn game development is by doing it. Start with simple 2D games that you can complete in a short time and gradually move on to more complex and challenging projects. You can follow online tutorials, courses, books, or blogs to get inspiration and guidance. You can also join online communities and forums where you can get feedback and support from other game developers. Build a game developer portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of your best work that showcases your skills and achievements as a game developer. It is essential for getting hired or finding clients in the industry. You should include your games or demos, screenshots, videos, code samples, design documents, etc. in your portfolio. You should also make sure that your portfolio is accessible online and updated regularly. Get an entry-level game developer position. If you want to work as a game developer for a company or a studio, you need to apply for entry-level positions that match your skills and experience. You should prepare a resume that highlights your education, projects, portfolio, skills, etc. You should also prepare for interviews where you may be asked technical questions or asked to solve coding problems or design challenges. You should also be ready to face stiff competition in the job market, as game development is a highly sought-after career. Thank you for watching video. For connecting to technology, please subscribe to your channel.